Welcome to my video. I'm going to show how to take pictures off of my Kodak PIXPRO AZ405 camera and transfer them to my computer. So the first thing you do is, I've already got the pictures on here, so I'm going to just turn it on. And there we go, it's coming up. So now, the camera came with this, it's a USB to, this is the bits inside the camera here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook that up first here, because that's kind of the critical thing to do. You peel off this little side connector right there. Now you want to make sure you get that in there exactly right, because it goes in there two ways. It's kind of hard to tell, but there's a right way and a wrong way depending on the geometry of this connector. So if you get in there wrong, it's going to cause you real problems and damage your camera. So spend a minute and try to get in there the correct way. And let's see. Yeah, I looked at it. It goes over. It'll just seat nicely. It just goes in easy if it's going in the correct way. If it's going the wrong way, it's going to be hard, and you don't push it. So get that in there now. Take this, and we'll put this over on the computer. I think I've got a USB on this side. There it is. The cable's kind of short. Now you can see it's interacting with the camera. Knows it's connected to something, and it should be something. There you go. Over on this side here, it says we're connected to the USB drive D. Okay, so now they're connected. We know they're connected. So let's go into the computer and find this USB drive D. There it is. Now this DCIM. Go to that, and then there's whatever that number is, the name of the file. Yours will probably be different. Okay, let's see if we can do large icons, see what we've got here. Okay, these are just some family pictures. I'm just going to copy a few of them, just random pictures I've taken recently. Look at that one. That video's taking a lot longer. I'm just going to get a couple. Well, why don't you just get this one? Copy. And you just copy it like a regular file like you would on your computer. I'm just going to copy that. Now I've created a folder up here in pictures called Kodak, where I'm going to dump it. Let's see, let me find that. I've got way too many pictures. There we go. Put that right in there. Paste. This is just like you do with your iPad or iPhone. It's the same procedure. If you've transferred files from your phone. Let's do large icon, and let's take a picture of it. I think this is a birdhouse. Yeah, just taking pictures of martins and a birdhouse. So there we go. So now this computer, since I copied it, it's still on the camera, but now it's in my computer. So this is all you need to do to really transfer. You just need this little cable, and it comes with it. And just be careful when you do the inserting into here, because that goes wrong, that's going to be a problem. I hope you got a little bit out of this video about how to connect your Kodak camera to the computer and transfer a file. Thank you for watching.